Now I'm going to show something very important, which is how do we use this webhook for those people who has already been in our system, which means, let us say the user is already with us in the student section. Let's say, so this is a demo user, this is demo student. So this is the email ID, he is already there with us. By using the automation, how exactly we can help the student to get the course, so that we are going to do it with automation. Because if you start doing here from enrollments column, so still you can do it, but it's a tedious task. Again, it consumes a lot of time. So that's why what we are going to do today is we are going to use the Pabbly connection. How do we use this Pabbly Connect to enroll any one particular course to a student who is already enrolled with us? Now, let us see that. Now, once we get into this space in the Pabbly, even if you are in a paid plan or even in a free plan, you will be seeing the same dashboard. Now, just go to this create workflow. Here I'm going to give as EzyCourse, this, existing user, or, so something, existing customers, you're going to give some course access to them. Now, once it has been created, this is called trigger. This is called action. The moment when you come and search here, so you do not get the EzyCourse application here directly. So that's why we are going to use two important application called Webhook, and we are going to use APIs. Now let us understand. So what is this Webhook? Webhook is, it's a platform where it will capture the data from a different sources. Now, once we get this Webhook URL, what I'm going to do is you can get the data from anywhere. Let us say I'll just go to this space. Now, once I'm here, then I'm going to enter some details here. Demo student, just live. My so at gmail.com, this is a mobile number, and this is what the course I want to assign it to student. For example, I'll just show you. So here, let's say, so I have multiple courses here. Let's assume like that. In this, I want to assign this course to this student. And as I told you, this student is already existing with us. In this scenario, what we are going to do now, once we get this webhook, we are going to come here, extension, Pabbly Connect, initial setup. If you do not find this, go here, get add-ons. Once you go here and get add-ons, you will find a column like this in the marketplace. You can just type it as Pabbly Connect Webhooks. You just click here, then install. That's it. So once it is done, so it will come and appear here. You will just go here. Afterwards, it will ask you to paste this webhook URL. Now you're going to paste this and trigger column. So till what column you want this to be triggered, which means, so it wants it to be functioned. So that's what it is saying. Now I'm saying this, so till E column it should be there. Then I'm going to give as submit. Then it has come success. So then I'm going to give the send test, which means this whomsoever comes here in the existing students, if somebody is, you can use any of the tools, not only necessary a Google Sheet, you can use Instamojo, Razorpay, or any form builder app, anything you can use. But only thing, this data should come to this Pabbly Connect. So now we got this. Now, in the second time, what we are going to do, and if you do not have a current date here, I'm going to show you one more important thing here. You can just do this as well. So come here, just select the date and timer. So you just come here, just date, select the current date. It means it will capture today's date. So those people who will come as a today's restraints, so those people will be considered from today. Now I'm going to select this column. I want this date format to be in this in DDMMYY format. I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to give as save and send test. Now current date it will capture. Now afterwards, so what I'm going to do, I'll just come here and I'll tell this Pabbly, saying in one of the filter option, I just tell this Pabbly that if somebody is registering for this course, if it is equal to this course, means 2 weeks financial wisdom, then only this trigger should work. That's what I'm telling to Pabbly. Then the Pabbly also will agree to the same point, and then condition will come as true. Now, after that, here is a thing. Now, till this, you all have understood. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to use the API Connect, because as I've told you earlier, there is no pre-built app in the this so Pabbly. So that's why we are going to use this API. Now, how do we use this API? Once you come here, if you just go to webhook section, data in, data out, you will have to click on data in. Once you come here, just go and then scroll down. There is something called enroll product. Now, once you come to enroll product, this is the webhook URL, sorry, API, you can say the API. So once you copy this, you'll have to come here, just paste this and make sure you will select this to post. You should not be in get, otherwise you will get a error message. Once you post here, then what you will have to do is just add some parameters. How many parameters are there here? There are 4 parameters. Now I'm going to add the 4 parameters by clicking on this plus icon. So once it is done, I'll have to label this. See, first label is email. What I'm going to do is I'll just paste this email. And the second thing is it is saying product type. I'm going to give it as product type. Then it is saying the product ID. I'm going to give it as a product ID. Then it is saying me as price ID. So now I'll just paste this. So these are the things we do have right now. When it comes to email, already we have got the captured webhook response from the Google Sheet. This is what the email ID. So if had I selected with just so if I have typed as justlifemice@gmail.com, then this trigger would not have been worked in such a way. Every new column or every new email IDs would have come to this page. For everything, it would have gone as a just like mice only. But I don't want that to happen. Just I'm giving as a references to this. Now, coming to this product type, it is asking me the product type. Here, if you just see, what are the product types? It's available: course, bundle, course, private chat, community. There are so many. Now, I want to add this course. For example, this is my course, right? So here, if you just see here in my all courses, so this is my course. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll just come here. Product type is, I'll just type it as a course, because always copy paste, do not type. Now coming to this product ID, where is this product ID? So once you come here, if you just go, if you just search here, you will find here the product ID. Otherwise, if you just click here, at the end also you will get the same product ID. Come here, just type as this product ID. Now price ID. Where do I find this price ID? Once you come here, if you just click on edit, so if you come to pricing section, you would have set some price, right? So let's say you set some 5,000 rupees or whatever the number, that amount you're going to enter here. Now, since I've it's for demo purpose, I'm just showing this as 0. Now I'm going to give as send save and send test. Now it is saying enrollment created successfully. Now let us see whether this enrollment has been created in this or not. Now, if I just log into the dashboard of a student. So this is the link, because you must be having different links as well with you. So now I'll just go here. I'll just type as justlifemice@gmail.com. So the course which we have entered, so that should come here. See, so this is what the course I have enrolled. So that has come already. So this is how we are going to enroll the student. Afterwards, you can do one more thing also. So whatever the applications you do have, any other application, say for example, if you are using some WhatsApp APIs and all those things, you can start integrating going further as well. But I think so for this steps to enroll the student successfully, that you must have understood right now. And to check this as well, so you can just go to this account, which is your account. So then go to your Gmail account. Then you will find here. So demo students, you have been added as a student in Suresh Shaiva. So this is your thing, so this is the password, something like that it will say. Now you will get to know, so what exactly you are looking. So this is how you are going to enroll the student who is already there in your system. So I think it helped you so much. So thank you so much.